how much should you actually spend on an electric rotary fabric cutter? Because some people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Fiskars 45mm Rotary Cutter. First up is the Fiskars 45mm Rotary Cutter. Priced at $14.98, this cutter caught my eye for its ergonomic loop grip and premium steel blade. If you want precision and ease while crafting, this is worth a serious look. Plus, the precision ground blade ensures that your cuts are clean and accurate. With over 1,100 reviews and a 4.7-star rating, it's clear that a lot of people trust this cutter. Now, some people complained about the blade dulling quicker than expected. Here's the thing though, as long as you're mindful of the materials you're cutting and replace the blade when needed, it's a solid tool for most crafting needs. This is perfect for you if you're a hobbyist looking for reliable tools without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need something for heavy-duty use. With its price and quality, it's a fantastic value. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more industrial, the next product takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, CGOLD&WALL Electric Rotary Cutter. Next up, we have the CGOLD&WALL Electric Rotary Fabric Cutter, retailing at $59.52. I was impressed by its ability to cut through thick layers. It can tackle up to 1 inch of material. If you need something heavy-duty, this is worth a serious look. It's perfect for industrial use, so if you're working on large projects or fabrics, this could save you tons of time and effort. With over 1,100 reviews and a solid 4.6-star rating, it's well loved by many. Some users mention that it can be a bit heavy to handle, weighing in at 3.1 pounds. Now, for some people, this might be a deal breaker if you're looking for something super lightweight. But if you're ready to invest in a reliable tool that can handle tough jobs, it's definitely worth it. This is perfect for you if you're a professional seamstress or someone who works with various materials often. Skip this one if you need a lightweight option. Considering its capabilities, it offers a great bang for your buck. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who love to craft in a lighter form. Product number 3, Pink Power Cordless Electric Scissors. The third product is the Pink Power Cordless Electric Scissors, priced at $44.99. What caught my attention was its cute design and versatility for various materials. If you're into crafting or just want something easy and fun, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With its rechargeable battery, you can cut through fabric, leather, plastic, and even cardboard with ease. The cordless feature means you can take it anywhere, making it perfect for scrapbooking or sewing projects without being tethered to an outlet. With 3,900 reviews and a 4.6-star rating, many users appreciate the comfort it brings. However, some users reported that the battery life doesn't last as long as expected, about 1-2 hours of continuous use. But here's the thing, if you're using it for smaller projects, you'll likely find it perfectly adequate. This is perfect for you if you love crafting and need something portable and easy to use. Skip this one if you're looking for something for heavy-duty use. For its size and performance, it's a fantastic deal. Now, if that battery life concerned you, the next product offers a different solution. Product number 4, Snap Fresh Cordless Electric Scissors. Next is the Snap Fresh Cordless Electric Scissors, retailing at $32.99. I was surprised by its lightweight design and versatility. If you want something that's easy to manage and can handle a variety of tasks, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It can cut through materials up to 1 4-inch thick and is perfect for everything from cardboard to leather. Weighing just 0.87 pounds, it's ergonomically designed to reduce hand strain, making it ideal for prolonged use. Plus, it comes with an extra blade, which is a nice touch. With a 4.5-star rating from nearly 4,000 users, it's clearly appreciated. However, some folks found the safety start feature a bit annoying as it requires an extra step to activate. But honestly, I see it as a good safety measure, especially if you have kids around. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight, versatile cutter for home projects. Skip this one if you prefer something with higher power for thick materials. Given its price and performance, it offers great value. Now, if you're interested in a compact design, the final product might just fit the bill. Product number 5, VLOXO Cordless Electric Scissors. Finally, we have the VLOXO Cordless Electric Scissors priced at $29.69. I love that it comes with 2 types of blades for different materials. If you need flexibility in cutting, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It can cut through various materials seamlessly, whether it's tougher cardboard or softer fabrics. With its long battery life, you can expect up to 4 hours of cutting time once fully charged, perfect for extended crafting sessions. With a solid 4.5-star rating from around 3,900 reviews, it's definitely a crowd pleaser. But a few users said they found the weight a bit cumbersome for prolonged use. Here's the thing though, if you're used to cutting fabric often, you'll appreciate the power it brings. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast who loves variety in your projects. Skip this one if you want something ultra lightweight. For what it offers, you get excellent value for your money. So to quickly recap, we've got the Fiskars for precision, CGULDNWALL for heavy-duty tasks, Pink Power for portability, Snap Fresh for lightweight versatility, and VLOXO for flexibility. Each has its strengths, so pick the one that suits your needs best.